Hello everyone, Professor D here. Today we're going to be creating a pie chart in Excel. So you can create a pie chart with any data file that you have, but I'm using the data file E03H1 jobs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight cell A6 all the way down to cell A12. Now what I want to do is I want to highlight cell G6 all the way down to cell G12. So I'm going to hold down my control to be able to do that. And I have both columns highlighted, the A column and the D column. And the only thing you have to do is hold down your control button on your keyboard. Okay, I'm going to go to the Insert tab and I'm going to go over to the Charts group. Now, you can put your command on top of any, you can put your mouse on top of any command and the tooltip will come up. So if you go to the Charts group and you can put your mouse over any command and the tooltip will come up. That is what you're seeing coming up now. So what I need to do is click on the pie and donut. Let me click out. Let me do this again. I'm sorry. And holding down, I'm in insert and insert pie or donut chart. I want to make sure I have that. Okay, I'm clicking on that and I'm clicking on 2D pie. And here I am. Once you click on the 2D pie, you see you have a charts tool above your ribbon. You have the design tab and you have the format tab. You also have your chart styles. So if you click on your chart styles, you can have your pie chart be any style that you desire. Also, if you want to change colors in your pie chart, you can change the colors. This is how you would do that, okay? And the quick layout, these are the different types of layouts you can have with your pie chart. And you also have add chart elements, and you can decide which element you want to add. I wanted to show you where those are so that if you need them, you would know how to go and get them where they appear on your screen so you don't have to spend all day looking for them. Okay, so right now we're going to find out where the chart elements are. So if you click in your chart, then your pie chart right here, and you go to the plus sign and you click on the plus sign, you have your chart elements. You see you have your chart title. If we disable that, the title goes away and it comes back. And your legend, which is down at the bottom, if you click disable that, it goes away and it comes back. What we're going to do is we're going to add data labels. So we're going to enable the data labels and we're going to go all the way over to the arrow. Now you see the 34,000 right here. It's not inside of the pie. So we need to get that inside of the pie. So we're going to click on this arrow and we're going to click on center. Now we see that all of our numbers are right in the pie. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change these numbers to percentages. So we're going to click right into our pie and we're going to right click and we're going to go down to where it says format data labels. And we're going to click on that command, format data labels. Once we click on that command, format data labels, the format data labels dialog box will appear and we see under labels it says values and percents. So if I take out the values, there's no numbers, right? So if I click on percents, I have percentages everywhere. And that's what I need. I need to have the percentages because usually in a pie chart, we are using percentages and not numbers. Okay? So now the next step that I want to show you is we want to make sure that we can change the color of the slice of pie. So to do that is you're going to double click just to highlight, make sure that you're highlighting only one piece of the pie. You're going to go up to your fill and line command. It's the fill and line command. Okay, it looks like a paint bucket. And what you're going to do is, if you have to fill with with a solid fill, you click on that, and then you pick the color that you want to fill. For my students, your book will tell you the color. If you put your command over, I keep saying put your command over, but what I really mean is if you put your mouse over the command, it will tell you what the color is. Okay, so you can pick any color you want. I'm going to pick orange accent 2, and there I have it. If I want to make my background a specific color, I can just click on the background, and I can go to picture fill, texture, and I can go right over here where it says texture. I can go down and I can select what I want. Now, if I put my mouse on this, it tells me it's the blue tissue paper. Now, it will tell you for each different type of paper what it is. The tooltip will come up. All right? So, and that should fill in. There we go. That should fill in. Okay, now, you already know how to move your chart. If you want to change your chart title, you can do that by just double clicking in the title and changing the title, taking out the information that you have in there already by backspacing, and then put in what you want. I'm going to put computer related jobs. Okay. And I think that will pretty much do it for how to create a pie chart. Oh, I'm sorry. I did forget to do one thing. How do you, let me get back to format data labels. How do you explode the pie chart? So if I want to take a piece, that's what explode means. Take a piece of the pie chart and emphasize that piece. Say that I want to emphasize, and I'm going to double click twice on where it says 26%. This particular percentage, let me come out, I can double click twice on that piece of pie that I want to explode, and I can go to point explosion, and if I say 39%, or I can say 9% and bring it closer, and if I say 138%, okay? So that's how you explode your pie or emphasize a piece of the pie, because explode means only that you're going to emphasize that. All right? Okay, I'll see you all in the next lesson. Have a great day.